Which laptop should I buy? Nowadays, it is somewhat difficult. Let us try to find an answer to this question with our new MacBook Air. I have been thrilled since the time of the launch of the new MacBook Air with the M1 chip. Hi friends, look what I've got for you today. A brand new MacBook Air. It has got 8 core GPU and 8 core CPU and 16 GB RAM. It is available in silver and golden color. I opted for the golden color and it looks awesome. Comes with nice beautiful packaging. The packaging has got smaller now, and the ports, as you can see, have reduced with only 2 USB-C ports. As usual, let's unbox it. It's really very exciting, is it not? Let's go ahead and open it. Wow, just as expected. And the laptop is wrapped in a polythene cover. It's quite nice. I just can't wait to start it. Open it and start using it. Fabulous. Wow. Amazing. So smooth. Let's unwrap it. Look what's inside. Yeah, this is where we are going to open it. Nice packaging. The MacBook looks smaller, is it not? But actually, the screen remains the same. However, the overall size has reduced with the new MacBook. That's because the bezels are smaller and the overall body size has also reduced. Inside the box, we find a charger cable and the charger adapter and a user guide. Let's look at it. Have a look. It has got a USB-C port as well. Look here. Let's unwrap this too. Let's get started. Let's check out what it is like to start using this MacBook. It starts right away. Nice paper covering on the screen. Look. There's a noticeable difference, is it not? This one is faster than the earlier one.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Let's start with the installation process.
If you know how to use VoiceOver, press
selecting the country, the region, the language,
if you would like to learn
and
how
all
to
that.
use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the escape key.
Fine. Let's finish with the installation process.
VoiceOver speaks descriptions of items on the screen and can be used to control
VoiceOver
the computer
Kickstart.
using only your keyboard.
Quite handy to use. And then we transfer the information from my old Mac to my new Mac. The terms and conditions we need to agree before we use. The transferring information from my older MacBook Air to my new MacBook Air was quite convenient. And now look at my old MacBook Air. Slightly larger in size. I used it for 3 years, my last MacBook Air, and then I encountered some problems with it. And the new M1 Mac looked so good in terms of performance that I decided to buy one. And now, using it, it's quite good. It's excellent. You know, it's much faster. Look at it, the way it starts. There's another noticeable difference. Now you got a touch bar to unlock your Mac. On the right upper corner, there is a button on which you can place your finger, and your fingerprints can be used to unlock your Mac. Amazing, is it not? You need not put the password. And look how quickly the apps open and work. We have opened YouTube, and look, it's so easy to open it. It's so much faster. Let's play some videos and check out the quality. Wow, the new screen is better, much better. What nice clarity, is it not?
आजकल ट्रेंड एसयूवीज के फेवर में है।
Amazing.
हम सभी ने साइकिल तो चलाई ही है, पर बचपन में जो साइकिल
The
चलाने
sound
में मजा
too
आता है, वो इन
has
सब में
grown much
तो मन
better.
करता है दोबारा साइकिल चलाने का। तो लगता है कि
Sound
कोई अच्छी
quality,
साइकिल
you
खरीद
know.
लूं। तो मैंने 19
Now
की
the
तक खरीद ली।
sound comes on both sides of the keyboard. Earlier it was hidden. Just
I'm back with another video. Lot of things.
on the
Hello
back
guys.
side,
Today I'm going to show you what are
in
the
between the
things
screen and the
to
keyboard.
bottom instead of vice versa. If you rub your
Clarity,
car with
the
a dust
colors,
on it,
everything has
you're likely
improved
to make a lot of small scratches on
markedly
the car paint. Just go wipe off
by a
your
remarkable margin.
to puff the
And look
backside
how
of the
nice it looks.
paint. So apply it little bit.
One thing I like about the MacBook Air is
Look,
how light is
this is
it,
the appearance
how
of the
light
car
and thin
after
it is,
polish.
and how easy it is to
Shiny,
carry it.
soft
Look at the clarity.
after it is done.
Wow.
Is it not looking just amazing, you know? It is looking like
And
fab.
and also
After using
in my new MacBook Air, I have
applying
started
all
editing.
this
videos,
is
and
mind-blowing.
It's
the way I told
quite
you,
nice in that respect too.
vice versa. How easy it
Editing
is.
videos and
Car with a dust on it,
and uploading them
you're
is
likely to make a lot of small scratches on
quite
the car.
easy.
It's good. Is it not? It's amazing.
Now it has become much easier.
The sound too.
Look at it. It's just enjoyable. You will enjoy using this laptop. And this MacBook Air